Greetings of the day, dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the filter circuits. Right now, basically, even though the rectifier converts the AC into DC waveform, right, the output may not be a pure DC. Right, in order to filter out the AC component, whatever the AC component or some ripples present or pulsating DC, right, in order to remove the ripples, we are supposed to use the filters. So filter is basically an electronic circuit composed of either capacitor, inductor, or sometimes it can be the combination of both, and which will be connected between the wire and the load so as to convert the pulsating DC into the pure DC waveform. Now coming to the different types of filters, we are having inductor filter, capacitor filter, L section filter, and pi section filter. So it's a main essential to remove or reduce the ripples from the pulsating DC, which can be achieved by using the filter or the smoothing circuit. For example, if you observe, this is the if it is the rectified output, you are getting a DC waveform. If it is passed through the filter, we will used to get the output like this, right? So, and in the next video, we are going to discuss about the different types of filters, right? Thank you.